have in front of me a 6-inch inline extractor fan with an automatic shutters. It's available with free delivery directly from freetv.ie. So the basic idea of this is a complete kit that will allow you to put in an extractor fan, for instance, in conjunction with a battery and things like that. So everything in a single box. The first thing to note in this is the brand name on it, Manrose. It's a premium brand inside the extractor market. So the big advantage of it is that make excellent products, fully compliant with CE. They always work, and if there's any other accessory equipment like switches, timers, all the rest of it, almost regardless of the brand, it'll always work with it. So that's just one of the reasons we went with that. We just wanted a single, always work solution. Okay, so that's that one there. So let's look at the main event here. So it's the actual extractor fan here on it. Okay. So the reason we could describe it as inline is generally we'd be using it in conjunction with this ducting here, mounting it well out of the way, somewhere like an attic, something like that, so you don't see it directly. And what will happen is the light switch, something like that, will be turned on in a bathroom. The fan turns on. There's a shutter system here that normally stops the backdraft coming through, but when the fan turns on, the shutters open up. You do your extraction of the air, and when you're finished, it turns off. So what we'll have then is two grills in conjunction with this. We'll have an internal grill here that will normally go into, we'll say, your bathroom, in the ceiling or in the wall. And we'll have this externally. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the 5 meter ducting pipe, and it'll actually run from the location of the fan directly over to the bathroom, and from the bathroom, or from the fan then, directly over to the extraction point outside externally. So the things you'll notice with the fans here is, if you just rotate it here, they're made of 2 parts. So this will be using the plugs and screws to mount it directly onto the wall, and then you just put the cover plate back on. You just rotate it into position, and then you have it nice and neat, okay? And then we have the same on the outside here. And then what we have is just these long, very robust tie wraps, and the idea then is just a tie wrap on the ducting at the fan, and, or at the duct and at the fan as well, and we're able to work on that basis. So we have a user manual here that's in English. It just has a few diagrammatic overviews of how you could do it. So one is just a very simple thing where you have a fan installed in the attic space. You have it pre-wired there, obviously by a professional electrician. So you're doing an extraction from near to a shower, bringing away the moist air, and then you're just leaving it outside. Another one actually has a different scenario where we have multiple bathrooms feeding into a single fan. So you'd actually be using additional ducting here, but still just the one fan. So you can do add-ons and things like that. Use this as a basic kit to build out from and work away. So overall, I would say I like this kit, and the reason I like it is it's comprehensive in terms of everything you need. So for most applications, for people with a single bathroom, just want to put something like this in, particularly if there's no external wall to vent directly to, it's just great to be able to put it in, have a kit, vent it directly out, and it'll work well. So that's it anyway, an overview of the 6-inch inline extractor fan kit with automatic shutters, available with free delivery directly from freetv.ie.